Hi, I'm Sarah from Stampin' Up, and today we'll be making the Alpine Air Kit. Create 9 beautiful watercolor-inspired mountain landscape cards with this kit. This all-occasion stamping kit is available in English, French, and German, and comes with everything you need to make these scenic cards. As we walk you through the steps to complete this kit, feel free to pause or rewind the video. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. Let's get started. I love how simple these cards were to create. If you liked crafting with the kit today, we have more kits to choose from. Just go to our online store to see the full selection. Click Shop Products, and then Kits Collection to choose your next creative experience. Until next time, enjoy!